starting with my sister's kitchen. Actually, I'm gonna make slime in the new kitchen she got for Christmas. Check it out. So guys, I got the slime idea from Goldieblox. She's amazing and she has some awesome curls like me.
Hi.
Make sure to check her out and I'll put her video down below. Alright guys, let's end 2017 with slime time. Before we go guys, thank you for all the love on my last shout out video. Don't worry guys, I'll shout all of you, all of my fans out on time. Just be very patient. I'm gonna make a shout out video at the end every month. So look for it and stay active until then. Okay guys, here we are at the kitchen. I got all our stuff and let's get our stuff out. First thing, wait, what? Why there's clear glue in here? Yeah, so we're gonna dump this out in the sink. That's so weird. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get some baking powder out. There's the baking powder in my sister's toy bowl. Okay, I'm gonna put 2 big spoons of baking powder. So I got two different types of confetti. Okay guys, this one is the first one. It has gold. The colors are gold, white, and black. The gold looks really like real gold, guys. This is the next one. This one's so cool, guys. It looks so weird and it has gold and black. I'm gonna add some of each. Okay guys, we need to take out the contact solution. The contact solution and it's in the oven. Okay guys, I see it. What? And why there's a banana in here? Guys, look at this confetti. It's a great confetti for the New Year's. Is it perfect for New Year? Oh my gosh. It's so strong. I can't even pull. Oh, there I just spoke. It feels like wax. Keeps getting sticked onto me. Guys, comment down below what is your favorite slime in 2017. Guys, look how it look. Oh, guys, that is so. This is so cool. Let's see how much we could stretch it out. Isn't this perfect for New Year's? Guys, let's see if it could bounce. Oh, it just bounced. Okay guys, that's the end of my show. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys for an awesome year. In 2018, the Credit family is gonna kill it. We're gonna do awesome. And thank you guys for watching me this year. You're all amazing. And don't forget to stay a little credit. I hope all of you guys had a great Christmas. See you later, alligators and crocodiles. I hope you have a great new year too. Bye! Wait, I have a little surprise. On my last video, I left a little clue. If you made it this far, comment down below, curls for boys, and you'll get a shout out in the next episode. Come with me. Big shout out for great vlogs. You're awesome. Go subscribe to him. Next is Trixx Plays. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. Next is dysFUNctional 3. Guys, you guys rock. I always see you in the comments, and your name is a little hard to say for me. Then is Melia's Playhouse. Thank you so much. All of you guys are amazing. We'll see you next year. See you later, alligators and crocodiles.